Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a Banggood window shopping video and seeing what's new, and I have a couple things planned, and which are going to be pretty cool. Now only basically if you own a FlySky transmitter. If you own a FlySky transmitter, I'm about to both the normal one and the X version, you know, the cheaper ones. I'm about to install a multi-protocol module on there. Hopefully it'll work. I burnt the first one, so I ordered a couple more just in case, so I just need to get it down, but I think it has a very high probability of working, hopefully. So we're going to see that as we go. So now we're going to be doing the Banggood window shopping like I mentioned. The way this works is I'll leave a link to everything down below in the order that we see them together. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and check this. Alright, so we have the new Baby Hawk R Pro, so this could be pretty good. I'll take a link to this real quick. Alright, so it's the PNP, which is plug and fly, is 160, and the bind and fly is 170, so it's just 10 bucks more. I'd highly recommend you get the 10 bucks more, just so you know, you don't have to go buy another receiver and worry about installing. It looks pretty damn sexy, actually. It looks really nice. So what do we have? It's a 2.5 inch, okay, unibody, 25 amp ESCs. Maytech hex target. I don't understand what that's supposed to mean. We'll figure that out. 1106 6000 kV. These are really good motors, very good motors. And let's see, what else do we have? D8 receiver. Doesn't really say what's in there, does it? ESC flight controller is a mini Magnum. So possibly, I guess, maybe Maytech manufactured their new flight controller here. It's a possibility, or they're just using the same kind of design, and that's why they're using their same software. So I got a link to this. All right, so that's one thing. There's a lot of other cool things I think that it just came out as well, so let's just see this. Diatone's been releasing a lot of new things lately. There's a little PDB from it's a 6S PDB from HGLRC, but it doesn't look that great, to be honest. The pads are really tiny, and there's just something about that. I don't know, I'm just not really feeling HGLRC lately. That's just my thing. iFlight, Tachyon, what the hell is this? Nope. Yeah, DYS Aria. Now these are pretty crazy. Now they're slim and they don't have any filtration, or it's very minimal, I would say. You know, there's nothing in the middle right there. They're using big MOSFETs, that's good. Yeah, look, just 3 caps right there, which is pretty strange. Now they might say, oh, we give you a low ESR capacitor with it, but actually it's not saying anything. So I'm very curious to see how these are going to test. Let's see, what does it come with? Nothing, just the ESCs here. This is BL32 current sensing, basically has everything except filtration. So it's going to be 20 bucks a pop, which is expected. So I'll have to link to this also down below. Let's go ahead and check some of the things out. We got a bunch of new frames. I lost track of what's a clone and what's not a clone. So yeah, so we got the XLRC Rocket 45 amp. It's still not, it still hasn't gone through production, as I believe. Only the 50 amp, the one that I reviewed, has been in production. I'll leave a link to this down below. So I have no idea how this one's going to test just yet. But once it's once they produce it, then I'll go ahead and get myself one as well. So let's just check a couple things here. Here, everything just looks pretty boring. The F3 ESCs, if you haven't checked them out, they're $15? What? That's a really good price. They performed very good, actually. These are the F3 ESCs from Tico 32. I mean, from Holley, bro. They're calling them the Tico 32, which is really nice that they, you know, it's good that this ESC tested good so that it can carry along the Tico 32 batch, in my opinion. So what is this here? Buy more and save more. Nice. All right. So what do we have? So yeah, it's 15 bucks. It's F3 ESC. I've tested it. If you've missed it, just YouTube it, you search it, and you'll find the review on it. I've gone ahead and did noise testing. It's basically in the top tier of ESCs, so which is really nice. But there's no real world scenario. So yeah, you know, here we go. So the slim is the new style. Slim with no filtration is the new style lately. But you know, they could be good. I don't know. These things are rated for very high amperage, 50 amps, and a burst current of 50 amps and a constant current of 40 amps. That's pretty crazy. So it does have a heat sink. That's nice to see. It has 4 capacitors. That's okay. At least it has some capacitors. It's one more than DYS. So yeah, we need to get some of these guys in. That's for sure. I'll have to link to this down below. So these are for, like, you know, the slim, you know, like a super light one with like very slim arms, and you don't want to use a 4-in-1 ESC, but then a 4-in-1 ESC would probably do better for you depending on the filtration. Here's oh, I didn't see this one. This is new right here. So this is from, actually I haven't seen these. This is from racerstart. It's a Holley 32. Same slim concept, everyone's going for that, but that's really nice. Look at that. That's a Rubicon right there. So, but the FETs look a little bit smaller than I'd like them to look. Can you see that? Look, they're really tiny. So let's see, what is it rated for? Okay, so it's a little bit less. Okay, so that's nice. But it could take up to a 6S. Yeah, I'd be careful with that. So it's a Holley 32. So that's really nice. We'll probably get some of these guys in also. So we got new slim ESCs now that are coming out. Let's see what else we got. Alright, don't really care. Let's go next. So that's fine, that's good. Finally we're getting a couple new ESCs out. This is an Airbot F3 ESC. We'll check it out later. What is this? The anniversary. I think I have some of these on the way, hopefully. 30 bucks. What? 30 bucks? Are really that cheap? Let's take a look at this. So they're the anniversary special edition 4 pieces racerstart Sporg 35 amp Holley S 2 to 6S lipo. So it's D-Shot 600 and 35 amp ESCs. Let's see, what can we see? Just tiny bit of filtration. Tiny bit of filtration. I don't know, these are a little bit too scary. This also is slim, so we'll leave a link to this down below also. It's a good price. If they perform decent, like average, then that's fine. Just add a low ESR capacitor. The amount of filtration on board is a bit scary for my liking, but you just never know. So I have this also, the powerpack. This I have to test it now. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Comment this down the comment section down below. Should I test the whole kit together, or should I set it up on my noisy setup and just test the ESCs? Now, I've flown these motors, they're absolutely beautiful. But these ESCs I have not tested just yet. So let me know how you want me to go ahead and test this setup. Now the motors, like I mentioned, they're premium performing motors, absolutely spectacular motors. But the ESCs here I haven't tested, so I'm just still, the reason why I haven't tested them is because I don't know, should I test them with my setup or should I test them with the motors that they're coming with. So that's where I'm stuck currently. But I know for sure the motors aren't as noisy as my setup, so I think the best way to do it is to basically test it on my setup. This looks nice. ESC Mamba. Alright, let's go down. Just a bunch of new frames. I'm afraid to pick up frames. I have no idea what's a clone and what's not, and you just get so much shit in the comment section. Alright, everyone's dying for me to test these, so we'll probably get some of these in also. $30. I don't know how good they perform. I haven't heard anything bad about them or anything good about them. I've just been hearing, please test them. Oh my goodness, stay away from this one. So after the video, I went ahead and started looking at the datasheet for the FETs here, and then the FETs are rated for 30 amps maximum, and their heat tolerance is like what, 25 degrees Celsius. It's really insane. It's a joke, to be honest, from what I read from the datasheet of the FETs on this setup here. So oh wow, it was sold out. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. I'm not even gonna link it down below. Everyone's telling me, oh my god, it's gonna be the best, it's the best, it's the best. I was gonna fly the Copus 2 today, so copy link. Let's take copy link. It's really nice quadcopter, really nice. So I want to see, this is an F7 with ICM gyro and Tico 32 4-in-1 ESC. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a nice setup. I haven't flown it yet, but I saw Joshua Barbell flying it and it looked pretty damn good, and that's to be expected with a Tico 32 4-in-1 ESC or the Tico 32 standalone ESCs. I think here we're basically done, so I'll leave a link to this. This one tested beautiful too. This is really nice ESC, absolutely phenomenal. I love it. It's gonna be my new favorite. The other ones are still my favorite, but obviously the newer is gonna become the favorite if it's really good. 3 ounce of copper, it's really good. Wow, that explains why. It was a really nice ESC actually. Believe it or not, XLRC even contacted me and they said, hey, stress test it. They actually said that. The engineer wants me to stress test it, he said. I said, okay, I'll figure out a way to do that. Not a problem. Wow, $8 ESCs. Holy crap, these are crazy. Where have they been? So it's an $8 ESC called I don't know what the hell it's called. Fly Fox, there we go. 30 amp ESC with a bunch of filtration on board. Really nice filtration on board, actually. It's really good. $8. Wow, $9 basically. So I'll leave a link to this down below. This looks pretty interesting. What else do we have? We already seen that one, I think. Oh, I requested this thing here. I want to see if I can get this one for free. It's kind of expensive. The GS40. See if it's as good as the IS100. The IS, I mean, as bad as the IS100. Not as good. That one was terrible. This is a beast of a stack. An absolute beast of a stack. The number one, I think, 20 by 20 combo stack you could possibly purchase right now, which is it was absolutely phenomenal. This thing competed with the A-class 4-in-1 ESCs, the 30 by 30s, which is out of this world here. It's out of stock. Why? Because it's fucking good. All right, let's go next. What else do we have? Let's see. I think everything. Yeah, everything that now is just all. Let's check out something else now. Let's go to FPV Systems. Let's see what we have here. We're gonna go newest. All right, Cadix. So we got a bunch of new Cadix stuff. Is this the SDR turbo? No, I'm not really much of a camera guy, but yeah. Let's see. I have this on the way, so that's gonna be pretty nice. We're just gonna mod it. Probably do a little, what is it called? Review of it, which I think will be pretty interesting. So here's this $30. It's a replacement. Okay, well, no, I don't think anything here is interesting. Let's go to, we went to FPV system, we were on multi, let's go to radios and receivers. So they released the multi-protocol right there, as you can tell. Yep, that's exactly what I was trying to say. So here's the new FR Sky long range. That's supposed to be the crossfire killer. That's what everybody's saying, so they can get the most amount of clicks, which I'll be saying possibly as well when I receive mine. But yeah, this one, it's only $44, which is really nice. TBS Crossfire is hella expensive. Let's see what it comes with, actually. I have the TBS Crossfire. I never even used it. It's just way too expensive. Let's see what else here. Especially in Europe, you're gonna have to pay like $1 trillion for it. So it's a long range 900 megahertz module here. It looks really nice. Telemetry. Looks good. That's all I could really say, to be honest. So I'll have to link to this down below if you want to go ahead and check it out. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Where's the good stuff? Am I on new? Yeah. All right, let's see. There's a new module for the XLite, multi-protocol module, which is, I think, this one. Yes, it is. Here it is. So you could basically run, I believe, Fly Sky and everything else. We can see right now. Yep, you could run everything. See, Fly Sky, Hubsan, Fly Sky, the first generation, the second generation protocol, Futabo. You can FR Sky also, Walkera, these ones, all of these, SEMA, and some other Chinese models. So it's really nice. $50. It's very slim, very slim. It makes it really cool, actually. So I'll take a link to this. It's $50. But even the older ones, if you had the older ones, they would work, but you just need to get it to fit the right size. What is this? The heck? What is this? 2.4 gigahertz 6-channel 30-meter radio transmitter. Tank ship? What the hell? Alright, maybe it's like a DIY kit or something, I guess, or speaker or something. Anyways, that's not for us. What is this? Racer dongle thingy. Dual power, dual receiver, telemetry, auto switch, and maximum. That's pretty crazy. Alright, well, there's nothing much here. Let's go to batteries and chargers. Let's go to tools. Actually, tools are more interesting. Because once you get your batteries, I mean your chargers, then you're good to go. So let's see what we have on tools. This is really nice. So let's see. I'm afraid to get stuff like this now. I have a bunch of soldering equipment to come, but there's just still on the way. I have a lot of things in the way still. I had the big, I had a package coming with a bunch of airbot things, and that thing actually got sent back. So right now I'm kind of out of ESCs. And that's why I haven't tested the Sunny Skies either, because I wanted just to do them all at once. Just ESC video after ESC video, just get them out of there. I think that's really it. I mean, there's really nothing else currently, unless we go let's hit that new arrival button right there and see what's new. Oh, where did I go? New arrival. There we go. All right. Let's choose a category actually. Toys and hobbies. Let's see. What do we have here? I have this one. I need to go test it. I have the full B&F one. Let's see. Oh, I just saw something that was pretty damn cool. I'm going to show you right now. It's a flying balloon. Or I don't know what the hell it's called, but it's pretty cool. Let me show you. It's pretty sick actually. I want one. RC quadcopters. Check this out. Where is it? There it is. Look at this. This is crazy. I want this one. It's only 40 bucks. I saw something like this a while ago. It was like a shark that flies. And yeah, so it's pretty cool actually. Let's see. Isn't that crazy? You control it with the controller, and all you need is just the helium. They provide everything for you. I think it's just absolutely awesome. Yeah, I'll leave a link to this. I'll leave this to be the first link if you want to check this out. Alright guys, well that's concluded for this video guys. There's really nothing else that's new currently. I'm still waiting for a bunch of things to arrive right now. And I do have some more testing and videos to come up and a bunch of new projects. I have currently a couple cool things with diversity stuff like DIY kits, so that's going to be pretty interesting. And well, that's it guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and everything is linked down below, and I will see you next time. Peace out guys.